Alright, I've got some new things set up for the droid. I have the head actually able to be held together, so there's magnets in between the head, and the bottom piece just slides on. So that's actually able to be, so this is like what the droid would look like, which is pretty cool. It's going to be a head that sits, and it's going to have a box that sits it kind of an inch or so off the ground, and my plan is to have it be able to kind of lift up and like look around and be somewhat interactive. I'm not going to build the whole body because I want it to have a different body, but that's it's cool to be able to actually see it. Plus the paint job I think came out really good. I've been able to put some of the smaller stuff together. So here's one of the ears. Because it's kind of a kit bash, I made it so that it looks like this ear was pulled off of a different droid, so that will go there. But this other ear is fine. It looks just like the rest of the body. This here is the Lazy Susan, so this has some ball bearings in it, which allows this to spin, which is part of its neck. Actually, it's very tight. I need to probably sand the inside and lubricate it a little bit with WD-40 or something. But this does spin, which will allow for the head to turn kind of on a plate. Neck pieces, I have some calipers. I did get some PCBs in from JCL PCB, which are going to be used for the light board. In the back, there's an open space here, which will be filled with an LED matrix, which will be pretty cool. I have some new functions on the work. I have really refined the speech conversation program, so that's a lot better. I hope to have a video about that soon. And also facial recognition. I'm working on trying to get the two of them to communicate to each other as the droid shifts through modes, but it's all really coming together. I'm waiting on a lot of hardware to come in. I need bolts and nuts and stuff to actually put the pieces together, but I have pretty much everything else. Next thing, I gotta get my hand on a Raspberry Pi in order to actually upload the brain, but we're working on it, but it looks pretty good.